Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will start examination module because last few video I will show you about my class timetable module. Okay, so in this video we can continue examination module. So first of all we need to create a academics inside, means below, otherwise up you need to create a one menu like a examination, and after we need to create some sub menu like a exam list, exam schedule and rest of other menu there, but I can explain one by one. So let's start now. Just go to resources, inside you need to go views, inside you need to go layout, inside you need to open the header.blade.php. Now you need to go down and just you need to copy academics all the menu and paste bottom. After you can remove the rest of menu like a subject, assign teachers, we need to remove, just leave one menu. Okay, I leave only class menu. I already write this subject, means that this is the name of the examination, so I copy and I paste here. And we can create a first menu exam list, so also I can put here. Okay, so everything is good. Now we need to remove here like a active classes, because we can use one by one we can add here. So just remove this some active classes. Here we don't need, also we don't need here. So here is like a segment 2 is equal to examination, and here is like a segment 2 is equal to examination. So just create here examination segment. We can do examinations. Okay, yes, is good. And also we can create like admin examination inside exam inside list. So is the examination means this one inside exam, and inside you can see list. We need to remove the list. We don't want to write like a exam list. And here you can type like a exam is a third one, which is a 3 segment, because first one is admin, second one is examination, third one is like a exam. Okay, let's go back and check. Just go to back and refresh the page. So you can see it here, new menu examination. I will click on the exam menu. So this route is not found, so we need to create a new routes for this one. So let's go to back again to routes, and you can see it like admin controller. So let's make like we can copy admin routes, all routes, and just put here and copy examination exam list. So here we can create another controller, examinations controller, examinations controller, and here we can write like exam list, because here you can find out in this controller inside exam schedule. So we can make all thing about this controller inside, like examination controller inside we can make like examination module works. So same thing with list. Let's remove, we can make one by one so you can easily understand. So open your terminal and create a new controller, examination controller. I already opened my folder for this, my project schools.com. so just here you can type php artisan make controller examination controller. Let's make copy and I paste here. Okay, so taking few seconds. Okay, you can create an examination controller, we can declare here. Controller I think created now. Let's go back and check. Yes, controller successfully created. Just go to app, instead to HTTP, instead to controller, you can see it here examination controller. So I think you need to go any controller. Let's go to admin controller and just copy and paste here, so you can get the data about examination. So here we can create a new models like exam models. So examination inside what we can do like exam list. So at time we can do like a name of the exam. So I already write one exam name, first term 2022-2013. second exam name we can like we can also write note, so we know okay what text we need to understanding, or the notes is not required, just we know about the notes. This reason I can write for notes. So let's create a new tables inside database. So open your database and go to your database. My database name is schools.com. So I go school.com and I just click on the new and I create a new menu exam and I will add ID. Okay, and here I can make like name, not, and also we can make like created by, suppose multiple admin can use, so we can understand created by. And also you can put here like created at and updated at. Okay, so let's make a nulls. Here you can make it varchar and you can do here 255. Here you can make like a varchar and make it 2000 character is enough. 2000 character. Created by also null. This is the also both of you null, and here you can change like date and time. And I click on save, means you can press the enter also save, and otherwise you click on the save button, so it's possible. But here we can make another button like a is delete. Suppose you need to remove, so you can remove. So here you can make like is delete, and here you can use 10 integer. By default 0 means is not removed, 1 means removed, so we are not removing any permanent data. So let's create another models, exam model. So PHP artisan make exam make model exam models. I just press the enter, so model successfully created. Just you need to go to your models, inside you can set exam model. Let's go to other controller, like you can go class controller, just copy and paste here. So we know our exam. Just you can add your table name exams. Okay, so let's go to again examination controller and save these files, and we can change your exam controller. Here you can declare use app, otherwise you can copy other controller, so we can do it quickly. So I copy and I paste here, and just I can change here exam model. Here admin list too I can change exam list, and admin side I will create another menu. Exam means another folder, so just go to resources, inside go to views, inside go to admin inside we need to create a new folder exam. Exam inside I will create I think we can do like this examination. I can create a main folder is the examinations. Inside I will create an exam folder, inside I will create a list. So let's remove this folder because it is not usable right now. So deleting, and I create a new folder examinations. Examination inside I create a new folder again exam. Okay, I made a mistakes. Just new folder. Where is the new folder? And inside I will create a new file list.blade.php. Okay, so is a file created successfully, no issue now. I just close, no need. And here we get record function you can call. So you need to go to in your exam models and create a new function, static function exam record. Here you can make like a request, no need a request, sorry about that. Just return self select. Self means is the exam model name, means this class name. Okay, here select exam dot star, and we can make join query because we need to, here we add a created by, you can see it here. So user table inside we need to make a join query, users dot id exam dot created by. Okay, so we can get the name of the user who is created. So just you can pass here users dot name. Okay, and here you can make like a order by exam dot id descending order, and here you can make page name 50 is good. We can use a pagination. We can make also filter, but right now we are not using the filter. Just we can make a simple way. Okay, so just go back again and let's close the class controller, we don't need. Now we are getting the data about the exam, and we have already created all things. So just refresh the page and check working, not working. So I just refresh the page. Okay, I think I have not saved this file, web.php. I save these files, and also I can pass here exam list. Now I refresh. So still the issue. What's the issue? Let me check. I go back again, admin examination exam list. I go to web, admin. Oh, I remove the admin, this reason, /admin. Okay, now it's good. I refresh the page, so you can see blank file. So just go to any other file. Let's go to admin file, and I just go to list, and I copy, and I go to examination, means examination is an exams, and I paste here. Okay, we are getting the get records here. We are getting names, we are getting the created ads, and here we can change the routes. So right now I am not changing the routes, just you can type here not, and you can remove the exam, and here you can also do created by, and also you can make like a, here you can make name column already there inside exam table. So just here using alias username, it was created by name, whatever you can use. Let's use a created by name. Okay, so I put here created by name, and also we can put here not. So is a name, means exam name. I just type exam name. So is a name, because we are using the database column name is the exam name, means a name. So I write here exam name, so you can understand. Here is the exam list, here is the exam name, and we can remove emails we don't need, and search exam, and here also you can type exam list and remove the totals. Okay, total is good, we don't want to remove, and here you can type add new exam. After we can change these routes. I think everything is good. Just go back again and refresh the page, so you can check now. So you can see it, exam list total is 0. Also search filter exams, and here reset button we can add same thing, like just go back again and you can add reset, same things. Okay, I think now is good. Now we need to add new exam. I will click, so we need to open new files, and we can add a like name, exam name, and he can also add a name, and after click save, so it's showing the data here. Okay, so let's go now and create a new routes here. Exam, just copy and put here, and here you can just type ads. Now go to your web.php and just copy, and here also you can type like add, and here you can like exam add. Now you need to go like exam controller, just copy all above, put bottom, you can type exam add, and here you can change like a add new exam, just remove the list. And here also you can create a add file, and remove the get records function here. So you need to go inside exam and need to create a new file, exam.blade.php. Okay, now you need to go also again admin under admin insights, and just copy and paste here. We don't want to use, okay, I just refresh first and I can show you first. Okay, I just refresh the page. Now I click on the add new exams, so you can see title add new exam, add new admin, so we can change here add new exam, and here you can type like exam name. Our database column name is the name, so we can't change, is required, and we need to remove the password, we don't need password. Here you can change like a not, and also you can remove like here you can make like a text area, because not always going to big, so the text area like wise like good. So just you can change class controller, and here you can name is equal to not, and remove the bottom one, we don't need that. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page. So now it's good, everything's, just you can type here the exam name, and here you can type like a placeholder inside not, so look like a better. Okay, so everything is good. I will click on the submit. So this data we need to store inside a exam table. So let's create a new routes inside post method. Just go to web. I close this one, I close this one, and I also close this one. Okay, just go to webs, and here you can type like a post. Here you can make like admin examination / exam add, and here you can like exam insert, because this is the post method function. Why I am using directly same route? Because we are passing here action is equal to null. I already told you lots of video, but I can tell you again, it is good for you. Okay, so just go to inserts, and I can make functions exam adds, and here I can create a request $request dd request all. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page, and I already type one exam name, so I just copy and I put here, not I can type test, and I click on the submit. So we are getting the data about the name and token and notes. So this is the data we need to store in our database. So we are already there. This is the models. So exam is equal to new exam controller exam name is equal to trim function, because we need to remove the spaces, so we use trim request name, and just copy for not, and here you can make like a created by. So just go to database and copy this column name created by, and here you can make like a auth users id, who is a login is id, and just you can make a save. So here is a exam successfully created, and here you can redirect back, redirect back with success, exam successfully created. We can pass like message exam successfully created. Otherwise we can copy, so you can do it quickly. Okay, I think spelling mistakes. Let's check other admin side. I can go and I just copy successfully. Okay, now it's good, and this is the goods. So let's back again, not back, sorry, I made a mistake, because we need to redirect in exam list. So just copy and paste here, and here you can change list. Okay, now it's good. Just go back again, refresh the page, and here we can add a like exam names. I can type like a test 1, and I type is a not 1. Click on the submit. So exam successfully created. Also you can get the record, because we have done before. Okay, now data is getting proper way. Let's make a like a welcome to test 2, submit. So you can see it like another exam is created successfully with order by 2, and here also is the pagination work. Suppose you can go to exam models, and you can put here like a 1 and save here, so you can see it here pagination, because we have already done inside list. So I can show you, so you can see it here. Okay, now everything is good. Just make back same as before. I refresh the page. Now we need to make like a edit and delete. So just copy this one and go to list, and you can replace here like we create a new routes admin examination exam / edit. Same thing you just do here, and here make a delete. So we are creating 2 routes, one is the edit, one is the delete. Okay, so go to web.php and just copy 2, and here you can change like a edit, and here is the exam id. So make it like this parameter, and here you can make like a exam edit, and you can make it here like a exam update. Okay, so now go to now exam edits in examination controller, just function. Here you can pass like id, and just copy add one like this, and you can make like edit exam, and here you can change file edit, and here we need to get the data about the exam. So just go to exam controller, means exam models, otherwise you can go to any class model and just copy get single function and put here. So here we are getting the single records for the exam ID, because you can see itself means exam models. Okay, so now it's clear. Now we can do it quickly. So I just copy and I put here, and I can go to exam models, inside copy the function of the get singles, and I can pass here ID, and I also make condition if is not empty, so going to inside, otherwise no need to go inside, and else part we can make a abort page not found, abort 404. Okay, I think now clear. Just go to examination folder inside exam and create a new file, edit.blade.php, and you can copy add.blade.php and put here, and you can change here edit exam. Okay, let's go back and refresh the page and check. So I click on the edits, so you can see it, edit exam found, with we are found the ID 2 here, and here we can make a autofill data examination control. Inside we can get the all the record about the this ID, so you can see it inside get record. Just copy, and this data we have passed inside views. Just you can copy and go to values, like we are not there. Okay, here there, so just remove. There is a form validation one type of there. So do you need, so you can add. I don't think here need, so I can't add. Okay, and here also you can pass not. Let's go to back again, refresh the page, so you can see it welcome to and test 2, whatever data inside there, here you can see it, this data see. Okay, now just go back again, and here is the action is equal to null, so same URL work. So you need to go like a web, and inside we have created a post method already before, so just copy these functions and go to examination controller, and here you can pass, otherwise you can copy add function and put here, and here you can pass like a $id, because this is the argument we are passing here, you can see it, and just change exam to get single, and you can remove new, and you can also remove the created by, because now is the updating work, and here you can type like a exam successfully updated, and here you can type created, and here you can type updated. Okay, I think now it's clear. Just refresh the page, and I can make welcome 3, and here I can make test 3, and I click on the submit file. Okay, so you can see it like welcome 3 test 3. I just go to edit again, and I will change submit to update. So just go to edit file and change submit to updates. Okay, let's refresh the page again, click on the updates. So now working very well, no issue. Now let's make a delete function here. So delete, we have already done like a routes, not means a link here. So just go to web and copy and paste here. You can change here delete, and also you can change here exam delete. So you need to create a new routes inside a, means new function inside a examination controller. Just edit one, you can copy and put here, and here you can no need data, so just you can type get records, and get record is not empty, and here you can make like a get record is delete is equal to 1 and save, means this record is deleted. Okay, so now we need to just copy above one and paste here, and here you can change to updated to deleted, and here we don't need, just you can type like a back function. I think now it's clear. Just go back again and refresh the page. I click on the deletes, so you can see the exam successfully deleted, but here data is not gone, because I think so. Let's go to database, column is updated 1, but I think we are not make a query inside a exam model. Yes, not made. So just you can make here one query like where exam dot is delete is equal to 0. So let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see now data is not getting because we have made here where query. Okay, now it's clear. Just make here 0 again, and let's go to back again, refresh the page. So we are getting the data. Okay, now we need to make a filter. We don't need a dates. I think date is good. We no need to remove exam name. So just type here name to exam name. Just go to list again. So let's me open the list again and go up, and here you can change to placeholder exam name, and here you can change the placeholder date. Okay, I go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it now, everything is clear. I just type here whatever here, search. So here we are get method using, so data is getting. I can choose here date, and I refresh the page. Okay, now working very well. So let's make a validation. So this is the exam add, edit, delete, and search and filter. Means search or filter is same. So it is done. So after we can start new module like a big module like a exam scheduling. Okay, so because I already write here words exam schedules. So let's go back again and go to web. Sorry, go to controllers, means controller inside models. Here you can use request. You just declare here, and you can make here query, means condition. Here we can make like if is not empty, request $get name is going to inside. I can copy other one, so we can do it quickly, but I can show you how to do. Okay, so I don't want to copy name inside name exam name. You can make here like, and also you can make here percentage sign. So we are doing the both sides filtering, percentage sign, and here you can type like a request get name. Okay, this is the clear. Now also you can do it another one, date. So date we can use no need like, so just you can put here dates, and here you can also put date, means remove the percentage sign. Here you can make equal to, and here you can make like created at, and here you can type like where date. This is the function provided like a Laravel. Where date means he can only using the date format. I think you don't misunderstanding, because we are using this is the like a date picker is a HTML5, means is a browser provide. Suppose I can choose this is the date picker like 19, so it's showing the date month Y, but once you can search, so automatic convert to YMD. So our database inside YMD there. This reason working. Otherwise you are using like O1 like O1 plugin about date picker. So you need to use a date format, and you need to convert your date. So it's a possible to filter works. So I can clear. Okay, so let's back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like a, I think what is the issue? Oh, I have not made a semicolon here. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page. So no issue, and you can see it here no data found because of the I write dummy data. I just type here welcome 3, otherwise I can type like welcome. So also I get the data. Okay, so let's reset again, and I get a proper name because I don't want to like the name. So we need to use like this name, so it look like a better. Okay, so you can use like this because we don't want to use any notes. So I just blank note and updates, and also I can add here change like here I can make like 2030 to 40, whatever do you want to use. I just updates now, and I can add another one also, add new exams 40 to 50, and I click on the enter, otherwise you click on the submit button. So here we have done like exam name, and also here they not, but I am not using not right now. So do you want to use in your project, so you can use it. This reason we have add. And also we have made like exam filter and date wise filtering and exam name wise filtering. Date wise also works. Suppose I can choose the 19, I click in the search, so it's working. Suppose I can choose another dates, I click on the search, so it's not working, means not found the data. Working means not found the data. Okay, everything's clear. So we will start now examination module. So please follow this series, and you can make like an exam first. After we can continue here is like exam scheduling. Exam scheduling inside you need to choose the exam. After you need to choose the like class, and class inside you need to choose the your subject, and after you need to add a start time, end time, room number, patch mark, and total mark, and patching mark. So you can update, and after student side we can show, okay, this is the exam year started, and this is the your exam, means your exam scheduling. So he can start his reading, whatever he can do, but I just showing the one by one everything. And I hope, do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.